This brand new website got featured in Forbes and it pays six figures to people all over the world. You can get paid through PayPal, Payoneer, bank transfer, and other payment options are also available. So this is the perfect opportunity. It will pay you wherever you are, in your bed, on the beach, in nature, on a plane, or anywhere else. You just need an internet connection and a device like a laptop or a computer or even just a smartphone device. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Before we go to the website, you first need to set up and have your own PayPal account. So head on over to paypal.com and set up an entirely free account by clicking this button over here. Just provide the needed details and log into your very own PayPal account. If you don't want that option or don't want to do that, you can set up your own bank account online by searching in the Google Online Bank Account in my country and sign up for an entirely free account on that online banking website. You should definitely stay all the way until the end of the video and pay close attention to every second so you won't get confused and if you really want to make this work. So if you really want to set this up properly and if you really want to make it work, then you must follow and watch every second of this tutorial. As you can see, this guy made over $500,000 with this brand new platform. This guy made over $300,000. This person made over $200,000 and so on and so forth. So there is definitely a lot of money to be made with this brand new website that we never mentioned before, and I have never seen anyone talk about it on YouTube. Now, as you can see, this platform has been featured in some massive media sources like Entrepreneur, Forbes, and so on. So it's definitely a good company to work with. But since the sign-up process can be really complicated and confusing, there is one single mistake that complete newbies make with this platform, which leaves them zero income. So it doesn't work for you if you do not do it properly. So if you really want to set this up properly, I highly recommend you to watch this video until the end and pay close attention to everything I teach you. Now, the main platform we will be using today is called StudyPool.com. This is a platform, according to SimilarWeb, is being visited by almost 2 million people on a regular monthly basis. And they are coming from top tier countries like the United States. As you can see, 40% of the people are coming from the US, which is over 400,000 people. Now, how does this actually work? Well, this is a website where everyday people like me and you come to learn new skills at a very low price. They can learn everything from mathematics, science, business writing, programming, and so on and so forth. You have all the subjects right here, so you can click on it and you can explore everything you can learn on this website, StudyPool.com. Now, don't worry, you will not have to study anything and you will not have to pay for anything. This is all going to be absolutely free for you because there are other features of this website which we will be using to start making money. Now, the very first step which we will need to complete in order to start making money with StudyPool.com is you'll need to click on Become a Tutor right here. Now, don't worry, that's not going to be too hard because I will explain to you everything how it works. And as you can see right here, they will pay you up to $7,500 every single month while working from home. StudyPool is trusted by over 50,000 different tutors all around the world because it's worldwide available, and as you can see, this is a reliable source of income, meaning you will not be paid only once but you can get paid again and again. And that's exactly how all of these people are literally making hundreds of thousands of dollars with this platform. Like this guy made over $500,000. This guy $300,000, $300,000, $300,000, and so on. So there's definitely a lot of money to be made here. And you can also see the reviews and their feedback right at the bottom of the page. You can see what other people from all over the world are saying about this website. So what you will now need to do is to apply to become a tutor on this site. And to do so, you will just need to click on apply now right here. You will enter in your email address in this box, create a unique username, enter a password, and just hit create account or just sign up with Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn, which is a lot easier and faster because it requires only one click of a button. And once you sign up, that's going to take you over to the tutor application page. The application takes about 30 minutes, and so as you can see here, it can be saved if you aren't able to complete it in one sitting. I will show you exactly how that works. You can collect your earnings either directly through bank transfer, through checks, PayPal, Payoneer, TransferWise, Western Union, and so on. So they have different payment options, so don't worry about that. Next step which you will need to complete is to click on your start application. Now you will need to let them know more about who you actually are, where you are coming from, what's your first name, last name, and so on. So as you can see, we will start with the first name and last name. Then you will enter your country. And as you can see, they accept people from pretty much all over the world. If your country is on the list, chances are this will work for you too. You will enter some basic demographic information about yourself and just save and continue. You will go to complete more information about yourself. This is all once again going to take approximately 30 minutes up to an hour, depending on how fast you complete and answer these questions. But once you're done, you submit your application and it will take approximately 1 to 3 business days to get accepted. And you can start teaching other people and start making money. And I think almost anyone can do this easily. But if you think you are not suitable to teach other people in all of these different subjects because you think you don't have the expertise, you can simply use Google and YouTube to learn something new, which you can teach other people on StudyPool.com. And trust me, it's going to pay off. What I personally like to do is go to Udemy.com. This is a place where you can get lots of different courses in all of the different subjects. And instead of paying for those courses, if you want to start for absolutely and learn some skills, you can simply go to search bar and whatever you want to learn. Let's say for example, you want to learn about business and you will type in the business keyword in the box. And in this case, that's going to give you over 1,600 different courses, which you can take for absolutely free. And some of those will actually give you a certificate that you can complete, and so you will have a proof that you have the knowledge and the particular subject. You go through them and learn about any topic you want, and that knowledge can be definitely pay off with StudyPool.com. Because as you can see, people are literally making over $500,000 teaching different skills on StudyPool.com, and it's obviously going to cost you no money at all to get started with this. But they will just take 20% service fee, which means if you make $1,000, they will take $200 off of that. But don't worry, because they will be getting you free customers and free students, which will make you money in the first place. So it's definitely a fair play, and you can see that you will have the full freedom and flexibility to choose when to work and where you want to work. There's no boss, no office, no quota. Create your own schedule and you can be your own boss, working for yourself, working for how much you prefer. So you should definitely take advantage of StudyPool before too many people start using it, because it's definitely a great platform. And since it's a relatively new one, the only mistake you can make is not jumping on it right away. Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.